was the song Manzie Kumba Kwedu by Takakunda Mukundu. With the father on bass.
With the father on bass.
Yeah.
Okay. So Taka, this is the kind of music that you play Kanamuru Kumba Kwedu Uniga.
Yeah, that's it. Yes.
That's the kind of music you play when you're at home. But fantastic. I understand you're also a member of the Prince Edward School Jazz Band, are you?
Yes, sir.
What form are you doing?
From 3.
Form 3?
Yes, sir.
Great stuff indeed. And Mono, I know you're a very busy man these days, and you've worked